Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atineke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely gorgeous passion twist DIY wig without a lace closure. So you see what I'm going to be using from the beginning. What we are going to be needing is a crochet hook, tiny one, then a big crochet hook at the back, lace net, that is lace closure net, what again, mousse, sheen, then the passion twist itself. From the beginning you can see I use my eyebrow pencil to draw out the line that is going to guide me. So now I use a afro kinky hair. I'm going to put the link of the hair in description box below, and all the accessories I use in this video I'll put them in the description box below if you want to purchase them. It will be very easier for you to do that. No need of you stressing yourself looking for a lace net or the crochet hook or the cap. I'll put the link in the description box below. So if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you guys so much. Guys, please and please and please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly please support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when your girl drop a new video. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just using a crochet hook to crochet on the lace closure net, not a little quantity. You can see the quantity I'm using. Then I start twisting. I didn't use expression hair because if I use expression hair, it's going to be slippery because the passion twist hair itself is kind of slippery. So I have to make use of something like kinky. If you want to use a lace closure itself, you must purchase a kinky lace closure, not this straight or coily closure. Do you understand what I mean? You can see what I'm doing here. I'm trying to give the hair a gap so that it won't be bulky at the front. It will lay very good. I'm trying to explain myself, so just follow my hand what I'm describing, trying to use my hand to describe also. You can see I'm describing. That side is going to go to the back, then the next one I'll crochet on it. Can you see I'm using my crochet hook to describe what I'm doing because I don't really know how I'm going to explain. I'm not a good teacher to explain. I can teach, but I'm not good in kind of really explaining. Do you grab that? So let's welcome our new subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that. Returning subscriber, thank you so much. So now you can see what I'm doing, just twisting the hair. I really love this hair so much. The hair really came back after I unraveled the hair. Then when I twist it, I thought it was going to, the twist was going to different, it's going to be different from the back one, but as I was twisting, it was just falling to places, as in it was just coming. I don't really know to explain, but everything rhymed together. Yes, it was not even different. It does not look as if I unraveled some part of the twist. So I'll allow you guys to keep on watching. I'm just show you what the front look like. Now let's start crocheting the back. There's nothing special at the back, just a normal crocheting method. Spacing from the beginning, you have to space from the beginning, unless the hair will be over full 1 2, maybe your hair won't be enough, so you have to make sure you leave a lot of space from the beginning. Then if you have some leftover hair, then you can crochet it at the back where you want it. So but from the beginning, make sure you space your hand a lot. So you can see I'll crochet the next one at the middle. That is how I keep doing it. At the side, you can see that a lot of hair has already covered the side a little bit, but I still added some 1 2 or 3 pieces at the side. I don't want to leave it like that, but don't add a lot of hair at that side because it has already fallen to the side already. No one is going to see it. I just try to explain that part. The top part is a very important place for you to cover. You have to make sure you cover the top part. The top part is going to cover the back part. Do you understand that? The top part is going to cover the back part. Do you feel that? Don't mind me. After I'm done crocheting, I'm going to be adding some mousse just to lay all the flyaways down. I used this in one of my video, I think around December. I'm going to put the picture at the side. So this is the final look. Can you see how the front part looks so natural? Will you rock it with accessories or without accessories? Just watch to the end. You are going to see that I add some accessories to add some spice. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to click on the like button, subscribe, comment down below. Please make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Love you. Ciao. Mwah.